my channel. I am Ivy.
That's Ivy right there. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make aloe vera oil using 2 different methods. Do not miss any part of this video. Stay tuned. I began this process by harvesting fresh aloe vera straight from the garden. Aloe vera is one of the nature's most powerful gifts for hair and skin, so I always make sure to pick the thick, matured leaves. After slicing the leaf open, I scoop out the rich gel inside. This part is loaded with enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. But before anything else, I made sure to rinse off the yellow sap, which is called aloe, and it can be quite irritating to the scalp. The 2 methods we'll be using in this video are direct heat method and the double burner method. For the direct heat method, you will need lots of patience because it requires low heat. Just be sure to keep your flame very low so the nutrients aren't destroyed when you're using the direct heat method. Okay, come closer to hear this. If you're the type who do not want stress and you want more nutrients packed in your oil, you'll want to go for the double burner method. This requires a slower but a gentler way to infuse your oils without risking the potency of your oil. Both methods work absolutely fine. It's all about what suits you best. If you've watched this video till this moment, do well to subscribe, turn on your post notification buttons because new videos dropped weekly and you will definitely get value for viewing. Here on this channel, we'll teach you natural hair DIY tips and tricks that you can use to grow a healthy hair. Do well to comment, like, and share. Do not forget to drop your hair concerns in the comment section. I will be happy to read from you and together we'll provide solution to your hair challenges. Once your aloe vera is ready or sliced, put them into your blender with your oil of choice. In this recipe, I used olive oil and coconut oil. Please feel free to use any oil available to you. So this is the double boiler method where I place my blended aloe vera in a glass bowl over boiling water to infuse slowly and safely. I also went ahead to add star anise to it. I will tell you the benefits of this as we proceed in this video. This double boiler method is more time consuming but perfect for preserving all the rich properties of aloe vera. This is the direct method and I added rose buds to also enhance the fragrance. This star anise and rosebud does not only enhance the fragrance of the oil. Star anise will also help stimulate hair growth. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties which help to fight dandruff, scalp irritation, and the rosebud will help in moisture retention and soothe your itchy scalp. So when I was done, I went ahead to strain finely to get rid of any excess particles, and I proceeded in adding vitamin E and aloe vera essential oils. This aloe vera oil can be used as a scalp treatment, hot oil treatment, and even as a pre-poo. It helps soothe itchiness, reduces dandruff, promotes hair growth, and leave your strands soft and shiny. I want to say a big thank you to all our returning subscribers. Thank you for always watching our videos, liking, commenting, and sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this. Bye.